Hello everyone! We have opened 5 doors so far. Today is December the 6th, so we are going to open door number 6. So, what is behind door number 6? Here we go. This one's a smaller one. So, we have Mary and Joseph. Mary is on a donkey. And this is Matthew chapter 1 verse 20. And it says, Joseph, son of David, don't be afraid to take yourself Mary, your wife. So, we've had an angel speak to Mary, and Mary agreed that she would follow God's word and have a son. And so, also, an angel then appeared to Joseph in a dream, and Joseph is agreeing here. He's going to marry Mary and not leave her. So there we go, that is door number 6. Join us tomorrow as we open door number 7.